archive has been authorized. Please be aware that all information held on the project database is regulated by international data protection protocols. The records you are about to see of the original Nemesis excavation are designated top secret, eyes only. Unauthorized transmission is not permitted. Failure to comply is punishable by a mandatory prison sentence. Thank you for observing all safety precautions.
Off to see the Nemesis. Here we go. Oh my gosh, look what we got here. From what I heard, that over there the key line has been removed. They're redoing the key line entrance. And look at the station.
0059011.
Oh my god, I'll give this 10 out of 10.
3. Scientific testing progress
Also
at this
give it
site.
10 out of 10. Let's go and have a